forehand overhead hitting skill, which is this one, is the most important badminton skill. Why? Because from this smash, clear, drop shot, three big skills are made. If a player's smash, drop, clear hitting skills are poor, how can she or he wins badminton match? Because those three skills are attacking and making the opponent under pressure shots. That's why this technique has to be right, perfectly right. The shuttle flies faster than small bird. The person who say turn to generate power looks like this player tried to catch that bird using a tank. Tank, yes, powerful, but never be able to catch any bird. Yes, it should be said stretch, release, not turn, turn. Power is a second or a third. Speed and accuracy beats power.